This is so wonderful and such a wonderful time. It's so dumb. Of course, there's this giant white blank section right here, so that I can't increase the font size any more than this. If I increase the font size, it'll make me scroll to the right and left. It's annoying. Gotta memorize terms. That's funny. Great. What a funny time, everybody. Have a funny time. This is so hilarious. Funny. Wow. Okay. Wow, that was 5-1 already? I'm already done with 5-1. Huh. Alright, we only have 5-2 and 5-3, then we're done. Now really, because we have to do the quiz and then we have to do the homework, so God damn my life. That was funny. Ay, 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 ay. A probability is a number between 0 and 1 that measures the likelihood that some event will occur. The probability is a number between 0 and 1 that measures the likelihood that some of it will occur. 0 cannot occur. 1 is certain to occur. There's uncertainty. Three to 1. 3 out of 4 times they will win. Therefore, wait. Don't you mean 1 to 3? Wait. Oh, it's the odds against them winning are 3 to 1. The probability of winning is 1 out of 4 times will win. Yeah. I love how it has a bunch of unnecessary sentences. Maybe I should be more thankful that it's over-explaining everything, so at least there's nothing that's under-explained. That was fun. 5-2A. Oh no, I want to be done with 5-2 already. Great. Simplest probability rule. Complement of an event. If A is an event, the complement of A, denoted by A line, is the event that A does not occur. Ooh. So, probability of A, probability of complement. Probability of the complement of A is 1 minus the probability of A. Ooh. Wow, how... Stop. Mutually exclusive if only one of the two can occur. Revenue is less than $1 million. Revenue is at least $1 million, but less than $2 million. Revenue is at least $2 million. Thank you. You can't have two of them occur at the same time. That was funny. They are exhaustive events, which means that they exhaust all possibilities. Those are the only three that can happen. There's no other things that can happen. That was funny. Probability that explode so this is some individual problem. Okay, the probability that at least one of A1 through AN. Oh my gosh. Equals the sum of all of them. Oh, all of their probabilities. Seriously, what is going on here? Man. The professor did not provide us with a video this time. In fact, it doesn't look like she's even done a single thing for like the past couple of weeks. Because she hasn't posted an announcement, she hasn't created any assignments, she hasn't responded to my email. Nothing. That was funny. Don't you just love writing your book? Really? Good job, book. You think that if Steph Curry suffered a season ending injury, that their probability of winning would be 0. Good job. Sports analysis. Stop! Stop. The probability Of what? The probability that A happens given B times the probability of B. What is this? All they give you is this much information. That's it. What? What the heck? Wait. Dude, they didn't even give you any numbers. How'd they get 3/4 and 2/3? Wait, hold on a sec. It's because they gave you the more information in the solution, which is stupid. They should have just given you the information here. This is crap. They're like, let's give you only part of the information in this question. Now we'll give the rest of it in the solution, even though that's not how it's supposed to work. They estimate that the chances of getting the materials on time are 2 out of 3. Probability of B is 2 out of 3. If it receives the required materials, the chances of meeting the deadline are 3 out of 4. Therefore, you do. And that. So if B happens, then the probability of A is this. Okay. Because they should have given you these probabilities in this part, not this part. Guys, stop. A probability tree is a probability tree is a probability tree. B, not B, happens. Then either A or not A happens. Whoa! And that was so funny. Stop. Stop. Where'd you get 1 out of 5? Did they just make up 1 out of 5 again? Yeah, because they gave it to you down here. Wait, what are they doing down here? They're looking for probability of A. For what? What? So in general, they're looking for probability of A. So it's either 3/4 or 1/5. A consists of two mutually exclusive events. Probability of A is the probability of A and B plus the probability of A and that B. And we already calculated those, so we add them and we get this. So the probability that A will occur at all is 17 out of 30. What a fun time. We're still not done with 5-2. Dang it. Probabilistic independence. Probability of A given B, probability of A given B line. What do you call B with the line above it? B line? Jeez. I'm just calling it not B. Or not line, but bar. Like A bar. But sometimes they're all the same. That means A and B are probabilistically independent events. It just means that knowledge of one event is of no value when assessing the probability of another. That was funny. Epic time, folks. Multiplication rule simplifies. 2 two independent events. The probability of A and B is the probability of A times the probability of B. I'm so bored. And we're still not done with 5.2. There's a section E. How often do you have to read a section E? Multiplication rule. Probably both. Okay. Equally likely events. Flipping a coin, throwing dice, throwing a coin. Also words. Introductory probability books. 20 red marbles. You know, you could have just said marbles. And 10 blue marbles. What is the probability of selecting at least 3 red marbles? Count the number of sets of 5 marbles. You do some stuff and whatnot. F. Of course we're on number, or letter F. Man. Oh, okay. That was so funny. So. Throwing the two dice, and we see the sum of the two sides. What is the probability that the sum is 7? Well, there are this many ways they could fall, and only 6 of them are a sum of 7. That means it's 1 out of 6. Oh, I know the page is going to be this long. Relative frequency. When was this book written? 2020. It was written in 2020. In other words, people with more information have a different answer than people with less information. So one of them is more accurate. Problems, of course, going to be problems. These are not really Excel problems, and this is making it harder to do this stuff because, in fact, we don't just have to type a bunch of stuff into Excel, now we have to actually do math. Oh my gosh, I thought you loved math. Don't you just love doing math problems? I thought math was easy for you. Well, it's only easy if they actually give a good explanation of how to do a problem. I don't actually know if they're going to explain it adequately. Problems, of course. So we're done with 5.2. Then they give you a bunch of problems. And then 5.3. Okay, so probability distribution of a random variable is apparently important. I don't feel like doing any of this. Technically, this isn't even due till tomorrow, but I know that it's going to be hard to do this tomorrow because, first of all, I have classes all day. Second of all, I have to study for a test on Tuesday. So I have to do this today. Otherwise, I'm going to be screwed. Or I could turn it in late like I've done before. Oh, jeez. Like, one time I turned both of these, or I turned the quiz in 2 days late, and I turned in the problems 5 days late, and she still hasn't graded them, so I have no idea how many points she's going to take off. She is so late with all the grading. Our professor has done nothing for like the past 2 weeks. Some things are not clearly discrete or continuous, like our test questions. Calculus. Haha. I took calculus 1 through 3. I'm so smart. That was funny. I was being sarcastic. We have to avoid anything that involves calculus because most of the students in this class are not going to need that level of math. Fun. How many sections of 5.3 are there anyways? Doesn't say. Goes on for 6 total pages, all the way to page 200. Oh, of course, there's like 5 billion pages. 5 billion. let x be a random variable. Probability of typical value in one of two ways. P of x equals xi. Oy, 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 oy. The probability the sum of all these probabilities of all these things, and one of them must not. It must be more than or equal to 0. Yes. Probability that the random variable is less than or equal to some particular value. It's either 10, 20, 30, or 40. And the probability of that x is less than or equal to 30 is the probability of 10, 20, and 30. Easy. We didn't even get to A yet? Dude, we just read a bunch of stuff and now we're on 5.3a. I was serious. Me. I forgot what that thing is called. I forgot what that letter is called. Gosh. I wish they would say the pronunciation of that thing. I remember writing the symbol a lot in school. I don't remember where, though. Where did I write that? I think I wrote it in statistics class. Oh, jeez. Man, I've just been in school my entire life, except for 1 year in 2021. weighted sum of the possible values oh boy. Sum of all the probabilities. Just add all the probabilities up. Just add all of the probabilities of every value. Wait. Wait, no. No. You add up all the values and then multiply by... Oh. It says weighted sum of the possible values weighted by their probabilities. They don't even do an example? Weighted sum of the squared deviations of the possible values from the mean. Examples. They're probably going to be stupid and not give you all the information in the question. Just be like, let's actually give you some more information in the solution, even though that's not how it's supposed to work. Investor is concerned with the market return. I don't care. It's 4:30, therefore it's probably halftime for most of these games. That's logic. Good logic. This game is delayed. 4 apostrophe? What does that even mean? This game is delayed. One game is in halftime, one game is delayed, one game is 3 minutes away from halftime. What a fun time, everybody. Oh, look, it resumed. This game is the only game that actually did get to halftime so far. Crap. Market return for the coming year. There are 5 scenarios for the economy: rapid expansion, moderate expansion, no growth, moderate contraction, serious contraction. Oh. Market returns. If here are all the possibilities: either 23%, 18%. Okay, shut up. It's going to be anywhere between 23% or 3%. Wow. And we have now calculated these probabilities. Now, describe the probability distribution. Assuming that they want mean, variance, and standard deviation. Yes. Okay. So, how to do this? Maybe it'll be very easy because I could just use some Excel stuff. X denotes the market return for the coming year. So, we have X1 equals 23%. X1, probability of X1 is 0.12. Good job. See file. I don't feel like looking at the file. I don't even know if I can access the file. I wonder if that's going to be in our homework. Note that the find probability is still up to 1. Okay. Yeah, but how about you stop getting sidetracked and answer the question? Right. This is the important part. They did this in Excel, interestingly. Oh boy. Oh boy. Hey, look. Oh, screw this. You know, okay, why do they have all these different things here? What is all this? Mean return. You do sum product, parenthesis, market underscore return, comma, probability. What? What? Whoa. What? It's so counterintuitive. They say the mean return is going to be some product. Is equivalent to the formula A1 times B1 plus A2 times B2 Okay, we have probability and market return. So that's probably what it does. That's probably what it was. It was these, comma, these. Why? Can't it be the other way? It doesn't matter with the order, does it? Does the order matter? Like, why did they do it in this order? Now this is where a video from a professor would be helpful. Ooh, this is a waste of life. My life is a waste of time. Really, this game's... counting to 10.